You do SEO and social media optimization services, which is relatively new, although not that new, but field in agency work. You're one of the few people who do it to the level you do. But as we know, this is you being a nerd, right, about the digital stuff. The customers don't care about any of this. I like
No.
to ask this question: what do you do from the client's point of view? They're always freaking out. They're only freaking out. That's the only reason they're hiring you. They don't care about anything you just said. That's like a plumber talking about the sump pumps and check valves. What would you say the clients say you're doing to bring order to chaos for them?
A lot of times it's making sense of what this whole social world is. A lot of it is also trying to make them present themselves in the best light so that any potential customer or any potential client for theirs would find them and understand why they want to reach them, why they want to reach out, how to do it, and what are their benefits. So a lot of times what we really try to primarily do is give them confidence in themselves, but show that online, whether it's digitally on the website, whether it's a social media, whether it's a video, or even small short form videos as well.
I'm the same way. I'm a client. I just want to talk about myself, of course, because they're all self-centered, right? About myself online. But social media isn't just me vomiting onto the internet, whatever I
Right.
feel like, because it has to be, because it's actually a machine to put messages in the front of other people. And that machinery is actually quite complicated. This is what your SMO service is, right? And SEO, I guess, search engine. Tell us more about what these things are. I mean, I guess people know what SEO is, but what's SMO?
Social media marketing would be more along the lines of making sure that we have a strategy behind what you're going to post, why you're going to talk about those specific services, features, products, whatever it may be, and then also give the culture behind your organization so that you're not just this machine that everyone keeps talking about that, oh, we can do this and oh, we can do that, right? And moving forward, we are being more, I would say, aligned with having the human presence behind the people in that machine, the people that are making this happen day to day.
Like, how does your business model work? How are you commercially doing? Are these retainers? Are these projects? Like, what are you doing?
Primarily, a lot of times we'll get these smaller projects that come in. When the small project comes in, they see all their service offers that we have. And then when we build that trust between us and the client, then they say, I'd rather you take this over. And if for whatever reason they decide to go somewhere else, they eventually always come back, whether it was because of price, whether it was because of service or quality control. So a lot of times we'll get a small project, they'll trust and see that we were able to deliver and that we were in budget. And then we eventually just move on to other services that gets us on a retainer where we're growing and just we continue to keep going.